How to use Chat GPT to create YouTube scripts. First, open the Chat GPT app or visit the Chat GPT website, then sign into your account if not. Next, type a clear prompt describing the type of script you need. For example, you can write, "Create a 90-second YouTube tutorial script on how to clear Instagram cache on Android. Make it SEO friendly, easy to understand, and include step-by-step instructions." The more details you provide, such as your target audience, video length, tone, and topic, the better the script will be. Once ChatGPT generates the script, read through it and make any changes you want. You can ask ChatGPT to make the script shorter, more professional, more engaging, or easier to understand. If you're creating YouTube videos regularly, you can also ask ChatGPT to generate SEO-optimized titles, video descriptions, tags, and hashtags to help improve your video's visibility in search results. Finally, copy the completed script and use it as the narration for your video. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use ChatGPT to create YouTube scripts. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more ChatGPT tips, AI tutorials, and YouTube growth guides.